In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch to a public network on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select network and internet on the left panel. And then on the right side, select Ethernet, or it might say Wi-Fi if you're on a wireless network. So go ahead and select that. And then where it says network profile type, select public network, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.